So you can see here we've got some turnips, same thing, just gonna spray those off, roll them around a little bit. And then you're also going to check for damage too. So depending on your market, it's going to depend, what you can get away with. So you can see here's a little black speck. I don't know if that's from a root maggot. So in some markets that'd be totally fine. Others, they're not going to want that. So that's just something like in our markets where we were, this would be considered a second because it's ingrown and stuff like that. So but it depends on what your market allows. This is still 95% usable. So these are winter radishes or long-term flat radishes, long day radishes, and you can see how easily they clean up. And so yeah, again, sorting through these, checking anything that might look a little sad, but these are actually really beautiful. So the other crop that we do just like this would be beets. And so beets are topped in the field just like a turnip would be, either twisted off or cut up close. And then same thing, put in here, kind of washed a bit, and then cleaned up and then stuck into the cooler. So getting the water out of your root bins is really important, and the reason for that is so A, it's not heavier, and B, so the crop lasts longer. A good stored root crop in a bin can last between 6 and 8 weeks, and so just want to make sure that if there's water in the bottom, it'll rot those bottom crops.